What's up everybody, River Karaba here, the analytics guy, helping you better understand and use data to achieve your goals. Today's video is all about information is our data. I noticed on Twitter the other day some conversations, and this is something that I provide as a value to you as my subscribers, as I'm looking out for these types of things and then can inform you on them as those changes happen. Recently, YouTube is making some changes with the subscription feed. They're going to be having a drop down that allows people to filter that subscription feed, and by default, which in YouTube's infinite wisdom, I have no idea why this would be default, they're gonna say highlights. Now, if you look in this image right here, you can see that there's a toggle switch, okay? It gives you most recent or highlighted. Now, what you want to do is go to your community and tell them to make sure to look at this. Kind of like you would tell them to turn notifications on, you're gonna wanna tell them to do the same thing here. By the way, if you don't have notifications turned on for the analytics guy, you can do that by clicking right next to that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. But make sure to tell them to put it to most recent. That way they will not miss any videos. If you do have it on highlighted, it, much like the trending tab, is gonna put like the most popular items or just different things that the algorithm thinks that they wanna see. We've seen algorithm changes on Instagram and Facebook recently, and people have been upset with it because they don't get to see the content in order. It just, based on what the algorithm thinks they want best. And sometimes what people want best is just their stuff in order. So be sure to not only yourself, but inform your audiences to be sure to make sure that it is not on highlighted, but it's on most recent. That way they don't miss any of your videos. Now, this is a rolling out the way this update is happening. So when you do inform your audience, they very well may be, and even some of you as creators do not have this option to change it yet. So just use this information to your best advantage. Communicate to them when you think it's best, and we're all good. So thanks for watching today, guys. Just a really short couple-minute video for you, giving you information at speed. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.